Good morning, students. This is our last chapter, chapter number 7 of Geography, Study of Continent South America. So, student, in our previous classes, we have completed almost all the chapters, all the topics of this chapter, like South America, introduction, location, political division, physical divisions, physical features means Andes Mountain, the Western Mountains, the Eastern Highlands. Also we have covered the Central Plains covered. Now in today's class we are going to start the Western Coastal Strip. So let's start. The Western Coastal Strip, South America has narrow coastal strip. Coastal strip is the area, the corner, the means a किनारा, हिंदी में कह सकते हैं किनारा, सी ओशियन का कोस्टल स्ट्रिप, except near the mountains of the large rivers. The west coast is devoid of coastal plains almost because western side of the Andes mountains rises steeply from the coast. Only narrow coastal plains are found in patches in central Chile, Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. Thus, Western coastal strip is a narrow lowland. Means Western coastal strip is a very narrow lowland. It runs down continuously from the northern end of the continents to the south between the Andes Mountain and the Pacific Ocean. It forms the longest but the most narrow plain in the world. It has great variations in width. It has widest in the northern part. The volcanic activity in the nearby mountain causes frequent earthquake here, and because of that most of the earthquakes causes here. Now the islands. Terra del Fuego lies in the extreme south. Means Terra del Fuego lies in the extreme south. It has separated by the Magellan Strait. Full stop. Cape Horn in the Hornos Island is the southernmost point of the continent. Chile and Argentina form parts of these islands. Falkland Island is a group of islands found about 300 miles away from the southern tip of the continent in the Atlantic Ocean. These islands have characteristic features like floods, moorland. Now, lying in the Pacific Ocean, Golapagos Island is the group of nearly 40 volcanic islands found about 500 miles away from Ecuador. It consists of 12 large islands which are natural homes to giant tortoise and a variety of flora and fauna. A different type of animals and plants are found here. Now the rivers. The Orinoco River is 2140 km long river which flow from Guiana Highlands in the Venezuela towards the Atlantic Ocean. The river Magdalena in Colombia runs parallel to the mountains and drains northward into the Caribbean Sea. The Amazon River is 6400 km long. It is the second longest river in the world. It rises from the snow-capped region of Andes Mountain in the Peru and flows eastward across the widest part of the continent. In Brazil, many large rivers join to form the largest river system in the world. It is an important waterway connecting the ocean to the interior of the continent. The Paraguay, the Parana, and the Uruguay forms a La Plata river system. These three rivers flow southward and drain into the South Atlantic Ocean. They form a wide estuary in the Argentina which provides an excellent harbor. Now something about the lakes. There are 8 lakes in South America. Titicaca is the largest lake in the South America by surface area and the second highest freshwater lake in the world. It is situated in the high plateau of the Bolivia. The highest peaks of South America. The highest peak, first one is Mount Aconcagua, Andes, Argentina, 6,962 meters. Second was Mount Ojos del Salado, Andes, Argentina, Chile, 6,893 meters. Then Mount Montefici, Andes, Argentina, 6,793 meters. Mount Cerro Bonite, Andes, Argentina, 6,759 meter. Mount Tres Osnis Sur, Andes, Argentina, Chile, 6,789 meter. Now, case study: life in the Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin is a part of South America, drains by the Amazon River and its tributaries. It is the longest river basin in the world, covering more than one third of the entire continent. It is one of the richest area of the world in animals, plant diversity. It has hot, wet and humid climate. Lifestyle of the people of Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin is also home in indigenous tribes that had lived here for many thousands of years. They have their own society where kids do not go to the formal schools. They are trained by their elders as to lead their future life and how to survive in the forest. As this region is densely populated, so agriculture cannot be done. So the Amazon tribe developed a hunter fruit gatherer culture. They move to a new area every few years, but by present they have opted for a more stationary existence. People live in communal buildings in this forest. Communal houses are made of bamboo and covered in banana or palm leaves and straw. They share resources among themselves. Each of the tribe has its own language and culture, which include dance, craft, song, and medicines. Many tribes of the Amazon basin believe in animism, a belief that spirits inhabits animates and inanimates things. Many of the tribes are still fruit gatherer and hunters. They have extensive knowledge of almost every aspect of the rainfall in which they live. Many of the tribes also practice shifting cultivation or slash and burn type of agriculture. Women play distinct role within their family. Women are mainly responsible for cooking, household chores, taking care of children, and growing crops. They are the major bread earner of the family. Also, men do the hunting. They hunt game such as deer, monkey, tapir, wild pigs with blow guns and poison tipped dart. Men do the hunting that hunt game such as the deer, monkey. Fishing is an important part of in the life of the Amazon tribe. Men, women, and children are take part in fishing in the rivers. The Yanumani tribe is the largest tribe in the Amazon rainforest. Some of the tribes grow different kinds of fruit and vegetables such as papaya, corn, etc. But the population is rapidly decreasing because of the deforestation in the Amazon, war and diseases. Brazil government has set up a type of reservation to protect the tribe of the Amazonian rainforest. Now, the life of Amazonian today. The native people of Amazon rainforest still live in the deep forest, though they are affected by the outside world. This rainforest is the only source of the food, medicine, and material that are essential for the living of many Amazon people. As they are coming in contact with the civilization, many of them have started wearing Western clothes. They are also using metal pots, pans, cooking utensils, and many things they need in their daily life. Now, you can see a house in Amazon rainforest would look like. Some of the rebel are making handicraft to sell to the tourists. Many of them are going to the city market to bring food and other necessities. Now, the tribals of the Amazon rainforest are presently at the forefront of conservation effort, even embracing the modern technology and new policy mechanism to safeguard their forest culture and the tradition. So, student, that's all from today's class. We will do exercises of this class in short answer in our next class. Till then, read the chapter. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.